Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like from there. Just make sure to watch the entire thing for the 3 steps coming up. And anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So right away, we're going to go into the item shop. What he wants from the item shop is the Futurama bundle, which is one of my favorites. We're going to give to friends. We're going to go on and select him. Now, we do have to be friends for 2 days, obviously. We're going to purchase this, send it away. And 2 days is 48 hours, by the way. A lot of people say 3 days for some strange reason. It's always been 2 days. So we're going to go back. How do I know that he got this right away? If I click on his name, it's going to say that he already owns this. That's how I can verify. Now, what can we do in order to make sure that he got the gift? Very, very easy. All we have to do is go back. And we're going to see him wearing this skin. If he's not wearing it, he just has to change his banner so he can get the gift. That should refresh Fortnite. We can go into a game, get out of the game. That will also refresh Fortnite. So there's a lot of ways to refresh it. We're going to see what A-King wants to do. And there we go. Awesome skin. Congrats for winning. If you can show us all the skins that you got from the bundle, that'll be awesome. And there we go. There's Bender. I think I like Bender a little bit more. And there it is. That's your last skin from the bundle. Anyways, congrats for winning. If you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done. Accept. Step number 2. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.